What's going on, Genius Nation? Welcome to a brand new day, a day that you've never seen before, a day that you will never see again. This is a brand new Wednesday. This is the Daily Genius, and I am Dr. Will, and as always, super excited that you are here joining us on this journey of 365 videos. I'm coming to you live every single day to provide you a tip, tool, strategy, something that will help you become a better version of yourself and create a life that you love. So as always, I thank you, appreciate you. For those of you that come in live, for those of you that are watching the replay, I appreciate you on this Wednesday. So you know by now on Wednesday, I like to share with you a tool that has helped me in my business. I like to call it Move the Needle, a Move the Needle tool, right? Something that helps you out. And today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite tools, And I don't know what it is about this tool, but I absolutely love it. A lot of times when we're talking about tools, we start talking about technology and all the things that we can do with technology and even social media and all like that. But one of the tools that I absolutely love and can't get enough of, I have several of them around my house, here in my office, and I just love them. So what is that tool? It's the all-powerful whiteboard. Man, I love whiteboards. I don't know what it is about whiteboards, but it puts me in a mood like when I'm strategizing. It's like when I was in the military, we would call it the war room. We would call it the war room when you would start strategizing. And that's what whiteboards do for me. What I love about it is I can, take a idea and just start strategizing it out. I like to see, I'm old school, so I like to see it. I like to map it out. And that's what the whiteboard does for me. I have a whiteboard here where I keep my schedule. I have another whiteboard right here where I'm writing down ideas. I have another whiteboard there's one downstairs in my living room right now. I just have whiteboards all around. It's the ultimate like sticky pad, right? Little sticky note. And so if you don't use whiteboards, I would suggest that you do it. It's nothing like mind mapping out on a whiteboard. My clients, when they come here to Phoenix and work with me on a one-on-one capacity, I always have a whiteboard, and that's how we get down. That's how we go to work. I get to work on the whiteboard. So that is my tool for you today. I'm curious, do you use whiteboards? Do you have whiteboards in your house, in your office? How do you use them? I've seen some people where they'll have a big whiteboard and they'll use colorful sticky pads to map out things. I know I've worked with coaches myself, and when I've went to their office or to their house, we would always work on the whiteboard. So the whiteboard for me is a game changer. Do you feel the same way about the whiteboard? Like, I can't get enough of whiteboards. Like, as I'm thinking, I'll probably eventually just have one whole wall that's a whiteboard, like just one whole wall that is a whiteboard. I think that would be my next move. I know I had that when I was living in the island. They even had this this particular type of paint that you could buy, and you could paint over your wall with this like material that would make it like a whiteboard. So I had one of those when I was living in St. Martin. So I just love whiteboards. I'm curious, are you as passionate about whiteboards as I am? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments there if you're using whiteboards. All right, guys, that's the tool that I have for you today, as I always tell you guys, go out there and make someone else smile as you make yourself smile. Go out there and be your brilliant, amazing, genius self out in the world today. Go out there and dominate, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow for the Daily Genius. All right, guys, have a great one.